So, what kind of video do I need for my business? When someone asks me this question, the first thing that I do is explain the video sales funnel. At the top of the funnel are the ads, the commercials, and the social media videos that are designed to reach as many of your future customers as possible. They are often short and fast-paced, engaging, creative, and sometimes humorous. The goal is to give them a taste for who you are and what you offer. And they can either be used as paid ads or to build an organic following. Once your potential customer has engaged with this type of video, they've entered your funnel, and that's where the next kind of video comes in. And that is the brand video. The brand video is designed to tell your customer's story, from the goal that they have to the problems they face and how your product or service can help them overcome the problems and successfully achieve their goal. It positions you as the guide, and it lays out the steps to doing business with you so they know exactly what to expect. Brand videos typically go on the homepage or about pages of your website and are usually longer at 2 to 3 minutes in length. They can either be simple with voiceover narration or more advanced with on-screen actors telling the story. And while many companies want to use brand videos as lead generators, they tend to be more effective retargeting warm leads that have come from other ads and giving them the confidence to move forward. And that brings us to the lowest level of the funnel, and that's where we find the leads who have pretty much decided they want to work with you, but they just need a little extra encouragement to help them take the next step. So this is where we create the social proof videos and the educational videos. If you're a service-based business, we showcase your past work with client testimonials to show real people just like them who have had a happy experience working with you. If you are a product-based business, then we create how-to videos and case studies to answer any remaining questions about how your product works. This eliminates the unknown factor that might be holding the potential customers back from picking up the phone and committing to work with you. So now that you know about the 3 types of videos, let's go back to that question of what kind of video do I need for my business? And while the answer usually is all 3, we often have to prioritize and go with the most pressing. So what are your pain points? What are your goals? Are you trying to generate leads? Then we should focus on ads. Or if you have a good amount of leads coming in, but your salespeople are spending tons of time disqualifying or vetting out the clients who are not a good fit, well, you could hire more salespeople, or we could make a brand video that shows who you are and helps them see if they're a good fit or not before they pick up the phone. Or do you find that your team is answering the same questions over and over and over again? Well, let's make some how-to videos so that the customers can get the answers to those questions on their own time and free up your team. So that's where video becomes an asset to your business. ShadBoost is a local agency that creates videos, photos, and designs to boost your business. We're talking ads, brand videos, commercials, product photography, architectural photography, catalogs, web design, and we also do print and promotional sourcing as well. If you'd like to take a closer look at how video can help your business grow, give us a call or visit our website. Thanks for watching.